Welcome to TCTC Time. Today we have a short video on Unity Day. Let's watch that.
Hello, I'm Ms. Hentosh, and I'm here today with Career Path for Teaching students Sam, Aubrey, and Michaela. I want to share some information with you about Unity Day, but first, because October is National Bullying Prevention Month, CPTP students want to share some awareness with you about bullying. Sam?
Someone who is being bullied is being hurt, harmed, or humiliated with intentional words or behaviors. That is often repeated, although it can be a single incident. The person being hurt has a hard time defending themselves, and the person doing the bully behavior has more power in some way.
Bullying can happen to anyone. It may be directed at someone who's shy and quiet, or it can happen to someone who seems really tough. So who bullies? Well, it's not about someone's appearance. It's behavior that defines bullying. Students who bully can be any age, size, grade, or gender.
Bullying matters because about 1 in 4 students will be bullied this year. These students may even be scared to go to school. Students who bully grow up with a greater risk of getting in trouble as adults. Just as important, those who witness bullying often say they feel less safe at school and wish they could help, but they don't know how.
There are ways that you can help. Be an upstander. Help someone who's being bullied talk with an adult.
Refuse to be a bystander. For example, if you see someone laughing along with a bully, tell them that laughing is contributing to the problem. Let them know that laughing is also bullying the victim.
Also, respect others' differences. Here at TCTC, we come from a lot of different places and have many different interests. That's what makes us unique.
So at TCTC, we celebrate our diversity, and we do it in a unified way. On Wednesday, October 24th, that's Unity Day. So at TCTC, you're invited to wear your orange TCTC Unity and Diversity shirts. Seniors and staff have their shirts from last year. This year, juniors and new staff will receive their shirts. Visual design and imaging program is working steady to have those shirts done and ready for homeroom teachers. So on Tuesday, you will receive your shirts in homeroom so that on Wednesday, Unity Day, please do wear your shirts because it's important that we show that we're united in our diversity for kindness, acceptance, and inclusion.
This has been TCTC Time, and tune in next week for more interesting things that we will be talking about.